Marijuana stocks to watch. Will the bulls take notice? The month of June has already been quite exciting for marijuana stocks. With some solid gains and no huge losses, many investors are calling the past few weeks a win. Although we are used to seeing massive percentage gains for some popular pot stocks to watch, that type of growth can be unsustainable. Rather, what we want from the cannabis industry is a steady growth that continues for a long period of time. Marijuana stocks are known to be quite volatile. And while this volatility can be a major positive for some, others find it a reason to avoid investing in pot stocks. As we move forward, the hopes are that we can see a larger amount of stability begin to creep into the cannabis industry. In this way, more investors could become comfortable with investing in pot stocks. An ancillary marijuana stock with solid potential. Scotts Miracle-Gro Inc. is one of the most popular ancillary marijuana stocks to watch. Many have stated that Scotts Miracle-Gro stock moves up the most in summer due to more people purchasing gardening supplies during that time. The company on its own is quite a classic stock to invest in, but its entrance into the cannabis industry makes it that much more interesting. As a gardening supply company, Scotts has had some issues in the past, but its specifically cannabis-geared subsidiary, Hawthorne Gardening, has continued to supply the company with a solid balance sheet. Hawthorne Gardening is a producer of hydroponic supplies that helps those who wish to grow cannabis. The subsidiary has continued to be the source of revenue on the Scotts Miracle-Gro stock balance sheet. For this reason, many view Hawthorne as being one of the major reasons to invest in Scotts Miracle-Gro stock, a grower and a shower of pot stocks. Village Farms International Inc. has been one of the most consistently profitable pot stocks to watch for quite some time. Since mid-March, Village Farms stock has bounced up by as much as 180%. This is quite a staggering increase and should be met with some solid excitement. Although year-to-date, Village Farms stock is down by around 10% compared to the rest of the industry, that is still quite good. In the past 5 quarters, Village Farms stock has managed to show consistent profitability. This is not something that almost any marijuana stock can say for itself. With its capacity to grow cannabis in the US shooting up all the time, the company should be ready come November when more states potentially legalize cannabis. As one of the mid-sized growers, the company is also able to secure higher margins than many of the largest marijuana stocks to watch. For this reason, investors have continued to keep a close eye on Village Farms.